Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be changing out the air filter right here to a better one. Let me just cover up my address and stuff, but it's from this. I bought it off of Amazon and it got shipped by SVS Power Sports. So open this boy up. Not legal in California. Alright. But you can see the brand is Uni. It was like 20 bucks off of Amazon. I'll see if this makes the Taotao a little bit faster. That's what I'm hoping. Comes with stickers. Failure to oil properly. Yeah, we're gonna oil this up. The thing about this is definitely a lot bigger than this. And it's all foam, you know, like this is just pretty much metal, so this will get dirty a lot faster. But we're gonna take off the old one. But so the size is, I believe it's a 1.5 inch. Yeah, 1.5 inch times 4 inches long. But if you could find one that's maybe 1.5 inch and then maybe like 2 or 3 inches, that might fit a little bit better. Well, we're gonna get some of the spray-on oil. It's really good to have that for your stuff. But so we got that on there, and I'm just gonna stick it on there and then let it dry. Or you know what, I'll let it dry first. Oh yeah, I should spray the end. I'm pretty sure air could probably get through. Well, I don't know if there's plastic or not on this side. I'm just gonna be safe and spray it anyway. But just in case. So we're gonna let this dry real quick. So we waited a little bit, and now we're gonna throw this guy on there, which it is pretty big. I didn't think it was gonna be this big, but fits on there fine. Okay, so it's on there. It's sticking out pretty far, which is kind of bad, but it should work. And then also one thing I want to mention is this is like your little kind of like bleeder hose, I guess, for the engine or whatnot. So I'm kind of just going to tuck it kind of through here. Just keep it out of the way of the chain. Like that. Because I think they want that or it's on the other side of the carburetor, so if it needs to let air out or kind of let air in, I don't really know. It's just something to mention. Just tuck it away. And yeah, let's see how this goes, I guess. One thing I do want to say is if you sit on it and, well, you might press it a little. I'd say if you could find the same filter, just get one that's like a 2 or 3 inch, because this is a 4 inch and it sticks out a little bit too much. It's not like a huge deal, but it's there. Hopefully you can kind of see this speed app. Whoa, that feels a lot smoother. It is kind of weird because on my left leg, whenever I kind of lean my leg against it, I can just feel the little air filter right there. But, whoops, not a gear. Alright. Oh, don't turn sideways on me. Alright, so I know there's kind of a glare on the screen. I'll just see if I can. I'll tell you the speed. But we're gonna see if we can get. I want to see if I can get at least maybe. So the two other top speeds I got was without the air filter was 47 and 48 going uphill, and then it's a little bit downhill, so I got 50 and then 51. There's the other two are on my channel, so you can check those out if you want to. But yeah, I'm hoping to get at least 52 or 3. Okay, so that was pretty good. That was 50, but that was on the way up. The highest I've gotten on the way up was 48. So that's a 2 mile per hour increase. Now on the way down, let's go. Oh boy, there's a neighbor. I'll see if I can wave. Please just don't call the cops on me. We just hit 52 on that one. That's a 4 mile per hour increase. That's pretty good. Alright, one more on the downhill. That is weird. That's weird. On the downhill, it's slower. That makes no sense at all. I'll just say it's pretty weird. Well, I think it increased it by just a tiny bit. So yeah, is it really worth the extra $20 for the air filter? That I don't really know. Like, I might take it out and do it again whenever the air filter maybe, like, you know, it's kind of broken in. But like, as far as our speeds were going, it was weird. They were definitely faster on the uphill, but on the downhill it was like the same. Alright, we're first time going over the jump. Cool. We really need to smooth that out. So, as far as this goes, 20 bucks for this. And we got it. That was just weird. It could have been the GPS, but I got 52 and 51 on the way up there, and then on the way down I was only getting like 50, which was the same. I was thinking I was gonna get more on the way down, you know. And then on a few of them we still got like 48 on the, or 49 on the way up, which is one more than the usual. I don't know if we got 48 or not. I think it was 49, then we got a 50, and then I think we got a 52. And then on the way down it was 49, 50, I think, and another 50 or something. So it definitely is a tiny bit faster. It's like 2 miles per hour faster, which, if you ask me, I don't know if it's worth it. It's up to you, really, because you got a good air filter on here, but this thing gets dirty so much faster. For me, if I'm riding out, you know, around like on this dirt and like around on the out in the mud a little bit, that's just gonna hinder the performance, because then all that dirt and mud is gonna get in there a lot faster, and I'm gonna have to clean it a lot more, which will be really annoying. But for the extra little miles per hour, if that's worth it to you, maybe you should get it. I don't know. I'm gonna keep messing with this and testing stuff, and I'll let y'all know, you know, because this was only the first day of using it. You know, maybe this is better, and maybe it's, I don't know, you know. It definitely feels quite a little bit smoother and stuff like that, but you know, it's a trade-off. You can have this, but you can see how much kind of like grass and stuff is already up in there, and I've literally been riding with it for 10 minutes. So I don't know if it's worth it or not. It's just kind of an experimental video. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys, though. Have a happy Easter, and stay safe with Corona going around, you know. I'm just kind of chilling out here. I hope y'all are chilling too. I ain't changing on me, bro.